हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं फिर से आपके सामने आया हूँ एक नया वीडियो लेकर के। इस वीडियो में मैं एक नया स्मार्ट बैंड की अनबॉक्सिंग करूँगा। लास्ट टाइम मैंने एक स्मार्ट वॉच खरीदा था जो कि था ये बोट वाला, ठीक है। सो दिस टाइम आई बॉट अ न्यू स्मार्ट बैंड विच इज़ फ्रॉम Xiaomi. So I'm going to unbox that thing, and I will let you know how does it looks like, how does the function and specification that does that band have, and please be on the video. So मैंने ये स्मार्ट बैंड Xiaomi के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर किया था, जो कि मैंने इसे खोल लिया है। सो मैं दिखाता हूँ, ये देखिए। इसके साथ I ordered this product in this Diwali offer, so I got this card as well. Okay, so this is the smart band that we got. इसकी जो कॉस्टिंग है मुझे अराउंड 2000 के आसपास में पड़ी थी। एक्चुअली में द कॉस्ट दैट इज मेंशन इन दिस बॉक्स इज अराउंड 3000, so I got the discount of 1000 in this offer. Okay, so if you are interested to use that smart band of Xiaomi, you can purchase that one because it's very cost efficient. And let me explain the functionalities and the specification of this. Okay, so just be online. So as you can see that I'm opening this box, and in this box we got this band, smart band. Okay, and I'm just unboxing this one. Oh, nice. That's really cool. Actually, the design is very fine, and the look is very good. As you can see that it seems like a band, and it doesn't the width is not that much, and but the screen is the amount of data that you are required to be displayed on the watch, so that is sufficient. And when it comes to the functionality for this watch now, so there are different functionalities that is given in this watch, and I will let you know about those functionalities. And uske saath we got this charger for this smart band. Okay, in this box, that is the charger. As you can see, that is it's a magnetic charger, I think. Yeah, it's a magnetic charger. And along with that, that's the thing that we got. That these only two things that we got. And when it comes to the functionality, I will let you know about those things. So let me check how does it feels like to wear. Okay, I think I have to charge this smartwatch before use, because I don't think it will be open, because I think it's already discharged. So I have to first charge it, then I will able to open this smartwatch. And when it comes to the functionality so I will let me tell you the functionalities. So जब तक हमारा watch charge हो रहा है, so let me introduce about the functionalities of that watch. Is it comes with different functionalities that in that smart band. We got 1.1 inches of display screen, which is an AMOLED screen. Okay, so the color combinations that you will get in that watch is perfect, and it's very clear to watch, and you will get the notification, all those things on that watch in a cool manner. Along with that, it supports the magnetic charging support. Okay, so the charger should be like a magnetic one. It seems like let me show you. So it's that is a smart band, and with this charger, so it is a magnetic charger. Okay, so it attaches automatically. So that's the functionality that we got in this watch, this band actually. And along with that, it has Bluetooth 5.5. so it covers around 15 to 10 to 15 meter of range. It means when your phone and this smart band is around, if it is in the distance of 10 to 15 meters, it will work fine, and you will get the notifications. You will get the, all those functionalities, like you will be able to, when someone calls you, you will get a notification on your band that someone is calling you in your phone. That's the thing. And along with that, when it comes to the battery backup, it has a battery backup of around 2 weeks for long. Okay, once you will charge for the this smart band for the first time 100%, it will last up to 2 weeks. So that is the good battery backup that we get in this smart band. Along with that, there are so many different modes are available in this watch, like running, skipping, when you are running on a treadmill in a gym. So for that, how much what are the timing that you run on that did that particular activity. So all those tracks will be recorded in this smart band. Along with that, the amount of calorie that you have burned. So all those things are calculated. So it has given around 10 to 15 different activities, functions. So if you are like doing different activities, so you can start that functionality, and you can count that how much calorie that you have burned and how much energy that you have consumed. So for those fitness freaks, those who are interested to change their fitness, and they wanted to they are habituated about their workout things, so they can use this smartwatch. And other than that, like for the women's, the menstrual cycle came, so it has the tendency to capture those datas about for the women's who menstrual cycle. So you will get a notification about those things as well. And it is very the functionalities are not that much difficult. It is easy to use. You can use it easily, and along with that, you will get a 24 hours heart rate and the sleeping monitoring function in this smart band, where when you are sleeping, and that you are wearing this band when you sleep, so what is your heart rate and how much amount of deep sleep that you get. So all those things will be counted in this smart band. And along with that, it comes with two different colors in band. Actually, the main tab is in black color, but if you wanted to change the color, so you can change the band. Okay, I bought this band in black color, and if you wanted to change the colors, you can order the same band with an orange color. Okay, so these two colors are available in MI Store, Flipkart, Amazon. From wherever you wanted to buy this, you can purchase that one. It supports a Bluetooth 5.0, and along with that, it consists of 50 atm of water resistance pressure. You can use this smart band while while swimming or while bathing, okay, while taking the shower. So this is a water resistance smart band. It doesn't get affected actually, and up to 50 meter inside the water, it works fine, and there is no issue in viewing under the water. So this water resistance features and this battery backup and this the range of connectivity through the phone, so all those functionalities are really very fine. And you have to install some applications like MiFit in your Android phone, and on that one, so that you will be able to capture all those, you will be able to see all those functions and all those features that are happening inside the smart band through your phone. So you have to connect that thing in your phone through the Bluetooth. And along with that, I will suggest you to purchase this band. This is a very that is very not that much expensive. This is a cost efficient, and the functionality that you will get in this band are really fine. So I will prefer you, and I will suggest you to buy this band if you are fitness freak, and it will really helps you to improve your health, and in your it is a very helpful thing for those who are fitness freak, and they can use this watch for their betterment. Okay, and one more thing, like the those call notifications that we get in our phone, like for the call notification one thing, and the apps notification like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So all those notifications that we got on the phone, if this band is connected to the phone, so you will get those notifications this band as well. Like someone has called you, someone has haven't commented on your post. So all those things are also like connected to as well. Okay, so yeah, that's nice to use, and you can purchase this one. It is around 1,999. That is not that much expensive, and that is the best band I got. Like after this. So finally, I charged this watch, and it's working fine. It has given so many different functionalities. Okay, so as I scroll down this one more, like these are options of DND, alarm, camera, music. You can control your music of the phone, whatever the music that you're playing in the phone. You can control the volume. You can play and pause. You can do the next, and this was the music. And there's stopwatch, timer, find my device, silent, world clock, band display settings. So different functionalities and different functions have been given in this smartwatch. And when it comes to this workout, so it has different modes. As you can see, it's outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, and indoor cycling, walking, elliptical. So different functions: skipping, rope, yoga, pool, swimming, freestyle. Okay, so these are the different specifications that is given in the workout. You can check the weather as well, and it's my location and the weather, temperature. So all these things has been given in that. You can add the event as well. That's my birthday on 31st of October. So I added this as my event, so it's reflecting there. If you like, people used to forget the birthday of their friends, relatives, so they can add in the event as well. So they get the notification from the smartwatch as well. And along with that, there's the option of breathing. So you can, if you are feeling exhausted or you want some like rest, so you can use these breathing options to like just give up like care to your health and your breathing stress. These are the like options when you get stress. And notifications, you can add the different apps notification here. You will get these specification in your phone to add which applications notifications you require to have on your smart band. So you can customize those things from your smartphone to which this band is connected. This is heart rate. You can check the heartbeat of yours on the real time. Along with that, PAL, I don't have any proper idea about what is that actually. I will let you know like when I will get the clarity on that thing. Okay, and status, so how much distance that I have covered, so it like that thing is counted in that one, statistics. And along with that, yeah, so that was a functionality that this my smart band consists of. Like there's lots of more functionalities that is added in this my smart band, like when I compare to the boat smart band. So yeah, so like its functionality wise, it's working fine. And I'll suggest you to like purchase this band. It's cost around 2500, but I purchased this band in this Diwali sale, so I got a discount of around 600 or 500. So like if you're interested to purchase this watch, you can purchase this watch within 5 days of this, like 20 to 25 October. You can purchase this. You will get a discount of 600 rupees in MI sale and in Flipkart, Amazon. I will share the link of this. Okay, so yeah, that was all about this smart band. Yeah, so that was all about that MI smart band. I hope you liked that video, and this smart band is really nice. I'll suggest you to, like, if you're a fitness freak and you are like aware, you are sincere about your health, so I prefer I prefer you to, you know, purchase this band, because you know this band consists of different functionalities that will help you to, you know, like count every of your like sweat that you will release while doing the workout and while doing all physical activities. And that really helps me to, like, you know, improve my physical activities that I really want to, that I really do every day. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this MI Smart Band 5. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share to your friends and to whom they are required. And I will about this band, I will share the links of different websites like Flipkart, Amazon, and Redmi's official so all those links will be provided in the comment section, like in the description box. So if you want to purchase this smart band, like you can go and like check out this MI band, so it will be helpful for you. So thank you and support, and thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.